In a recent development from North Somerset, a woman named Hilary Holley, the owner of Nin Dogs, has strongly criticized the local council's decision to impose a ban on walking more than 6 dogs simultaneously. This restriction, which was approved by North Somerset Council's executive on September 6, encompasses all public spaces within the region. Ms. Holley, residing in North Weston, typically walks her Nin dogs together in Weston Big Wood. She contends that organizing separate outings for her dogs would be highly disruptive. Ms. Holley, who specializes in training her dogs for competitive obedience, stated, "I have more control over my Nin dogs than many people do with just one." She also pointed out that professional dog walkers are usually limited to 6 dogs due to insurance regulations since they walk other people's dogs. In her view, the council lacks the authority to dictate how she manages her own dogs. The council maintains that the 6-dog limit was supported through a consultation process. However, Ms. Holley and numerous other dog owners claim they were unaware of this consultation. Peter Burden, Ms. Holley's local councillor on North Somerset Council, strongly opposed the ban when it was initially approved. He criticized the arbitrary nature of the 6-dog limit, emphasizing that it negatively impacts only a small number of individuals. At a full council meeting on September 19, he raised concerns about dog owners with large numbers of dogs not being adequately consulted and how the rules affect working animals, particularly farmers with sheepdogs. Additionally, he disputed the council's assertion that the ban applied solely to council-owned land. The council's executive member for safety in the community, James Clayton, has promised to review the consultation process and clarify the areas to which the ban applies. This contentious decision continues to spark debate within the community, as some residents contend it infringes upon their rights as responsible dog owners.